like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another unboxing video, and now I am going to unbox one of my favorite speaker, that is a Bluetooth speaker, and this is that one, the Boat Bluetooth speaker, and let's see how it works. So guys, this is our Boat Bluetooth speaker. So it looks like this from outside. Now let's unbox it. They have given the package like this. So guys, this is the first one. They have given a cover also. They have given a bag for covering and taking it outside. Our speaker also, and this is the USB adapter, and this is the charging wire. So now let's keep this aside. They gave manual, and first they gave CSK, Chennai Super Kings, and here are our Indian cricketers who are giving all the introduction, and here is the MI. No, MI means not Redmi, it's Mumbai Indians. See, here are all the cricketers, and this side also there are many celebrities they gave. Okay, this is the manual, and this is the manual how we should use it. That is advertisement, and this is the manual. Okay guys, this is the charger, and I'll tell you about this later. And first let us see our speaker. So guys, they gave very tight locking, and this is the speaker. Let's take it out. Yes guys, you can see this is the Boat speaker they gave. See, this is like a button. Both sides you will have. You will know it afterwards why they gave like this. So this is our speaker guys. It looks like this. This is our speaker, like a cylinder it is. And now I'm going to show you by connecting it to my iPad. So wait a minute, I will show you how we should connect it also. This is a Bluetooth speaker, so we are connecting it with Bluetooth. I'll keep it aside. So first settings, and then we should first on the Bluetooth, and first we should on this also. If we catch like this, see, it got on. So now I'm going to connect it Bluetooth. See, they have given here also, you can see Boat Stone Sphinx 2.0 R. So first we should pair it. See, you can see a music came and it is connected. See, in 1 second we got connected. And now let's open the YouTube, and I will show you one song. I'll show you Believer. You will get shocked by the sound. First let me keep the full sound. Wait, this is an ad. See guys, I hope you see this sound.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh,
Can you increase the sound?
the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me.
You can decrease the volume, and you can even increase. See, I paused.
Singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my.
See, I changed it to the song also. See, like this it is. So guys, this is the Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, we got a lot of sound also. See how much sound did we get from this speaker. And these are, have you observed while playing the song? I could not talk also, that much loud it is. And see, this is coming as woofers also. See, it is coming like woofers, it is shaking like this. And and this is the speaker what we got. Very super.
Send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, your spirit up above.
So guys, this is the thing we got, and if I connected with Bluetooth, it's like this. And guys, now I will show you. I will first disconnect the Bluetooth and I will show you the next feature. See, I will first disconnect it. See, I have disconnected it first. Now I am going to show you the next feature. Wait a minute. See, this I said you, I'll say about this afterwards. So I think this is the wire they have given. Without Bluetooth also we can connect it. See, first I have kept the USB cable over here, and then let's open it. Here they gave. Wait a minute. See guys, here they gave the charging wire, and here you can also keep the what we call it is as that memory card. And if I place it here, it got connected. See, it got connected, and without Bluetooth, have you seen? I have disconnected the Bluetooth, and even after disconnecting, we can play songs.
Listen to the latest trending Bollywood songs for free only on Gaana. Download the app now.
See guys, 1 minute. See, I have disconnected the Bluetooth, but I have connected it with the USB cable. So if any phone doesn't have the Bluetooth, you can also connect it with the USB cables. See.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us?
Here also you will get the woofers when the pitch is very high.
Where are you now?
So same, you can also connect it with USB cable.
Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now?
So guys, you heard the loud sound? Even we get it without the Bluetooth. I have just connected with the USB cable, and I have connected to the speaker. So this is the features of this speaker. So guys, it is a very good speaker, and you can buy it from Amazon. I have given the link in the description. Go check it out. And this is the unboxing of the speaker. And if we connect it with Bluetooth, we'll get here a blue light, and if we connect it with USB cable, you will get a green light. And I'll remove it. And this is the unboxing for today. See, it is showing that Bluetooth is on. You can connect also. And this is just for offing it. Catch it. See, it will get off. So guys, this is our Bluetooth speaker we have. And next I'm going to show you this bag also. It even fits in this bag. See, wait a minute. See, you can put it in this bag and carry it outside. See, it's just like a bottle, a small bottle. You can take this and carry it anywhere. And outside, if you don't have any net or any Bluetooth is not available, just connect it to your phone or iPad or anything, and just you can listen your songs. And the one of the best features I think is we can connect it to the cycle also, like a stand. See, here they have given this like a screw. We need to buy it in the shop like a stand. It will be available by in the Decathlon shop. See, I'll show you how we can place it. See guys, they have placed here with the help of handle. They kept the speaker here. While listening to songs also we can do cycling. That handle you will get in any shop like Decathlon or anywhere. You will easily find that handle, and there you can buy it and place it over here. That's it.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
this is the unboxing and this is the speaker. And hope you like this video, and I have given the link in the description. I have bought it from Amazon in 2000 rupees. And if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to Art Whiskers. If you wanna buy this, see the link in the description which I have given. And see you in the next video. Bye.